I'm pleased to introduce you to Swarm's facilitation of the Intersect Town Halls and After Town Halls. Swarm is going to facilitate these town halls and after town halls every month, making them a connected experience. This means we'll coordinate the publicity, planning, and community research together. Our goal is to create town halls that are engaging, welcoming, well-publicized, and truly participatory. We start them, support them, and hand them over. Now, a little bit about our history. Swarm has a solid track record of kickstarting town halls in various communities. We provide the initial support, knowledge, and mentorship needed, and then we step back to let the community take over. We've successfully done this in places like Project Catalyst in Africa, LATAM, the Eastern Hemisphere, Europe, and the Pacific regions. Also, we've worked with Singularity Net's Ambassador Program and Deep Funding Program. We typically take about 7 to 10 months to get things rolling, which fits perfectly with the time frame of this grant. To keep the momentum going, we'll be running 2 open workshops per month. These workshops are for anyone in the Intersect community who wants to get involved in town hall planning. One of our key goals is to make sure all the topics, contributions, decisions, and ideas that come up during the town halls and after town halls are well documented. This way, everything becomes a valuable community asset. To help with this, we'll be adding to Intersect's existing Gitbook materials with a town hall playbook. This will give us a solid baseline to work from and improve upon as we go. Felix Weber, Tavo Sachs, Vanessa Cardui, and Stephen Wittenstall are the team behind this project. And finally, for all the latest updates, make sure to check out our Discord channel. We'll keep you posted on all the developments there.